The heating element in my Kenmore dishwasher glows orange. Any suggestions?
If the element is glowing, the element isn't in number 39. The issue. This means that the element is getting power from your control board for some reasons. Your control board will need to be ordered and replaced to fix the issue. It in number 39, as sending power to the element when it shouldn't in number 39. If the element is glowing orange, so below is a link to the control board inside your door that you in number 39, I'll need to order and replace to resolve the issue. Unfortunately, the part is about $200 and it in number 39, is located in the upper right corner of the door. Click here for control board. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.